Welcome to the channel again. Here we'll cover this particular lab that is reduce cost for the managed service Prometheus. First of all, click on start lab, and if you want to check my progress bar, check the video description. How to enable check my progress bar. Watch the video and just enable it. Now just right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel too. Now just remove this unwanted pop-up from here. Okay, carefully remove it and just click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Now here just click on continue, and after that you may be asked to authorize yourself. You have to do both the things. Now in the description box of this video, let me just come over here. I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to scroll down and select it from here and just come to the Cloud Shell page again and simply paste it over here. Now here, let me increase the text size first of all. Now here, wait for it. It's just fetching it and it will create first of all the Kubernetes cluster. Now cluster creation may take 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes even more. So wait for it to get created. And after that, we'll see whether we are able to get the score or not. So finally, waiting for at least 5 to 10 minutes, all the things are done. Now let's come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. And as I said earlier, if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. And that's how we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.